You've been friends for Eddie for some time. Now, you're a promoter, and a part of your job rather allows you to be surrounded by people who are enthused by you. That's a rather lawyerly way of saying women find you rather attractive. Is that right, Alexei? Is that right, Eddie? He seems to be surrounded by women who seem to adore him.
Some do, yeah.
In fact, what you say, and again, this is important to get a sense of the quality of your relationship, bearing in mind what you're suing Eddie for. You rather say that Eddie is more of a womanizer than you, correct?
Definitely.
Now, I understand. There's Alexei. He's got nightclubs. He's got free access to champagne, to vodkas, to celebrities from time to time, I would have thought. And, bearing in mind the clubs you promote in, a good amount of pleather. In your case, Eddie, you don't have any of that, as I understand it, but nevertheless, some people, I would have thought, I'm not saying for a second where they may work, chip shops perhaps, might find your job sexy. What exactly do you do?
Well, also, besides Morrison's head office...
You work in Morrison's?
Head office, just to add that in there.
No, of course, I understand. I can imagine that being terribly sexy. Is he very successful with the women?
Yeah.
In fact, that's what you say.
Yeah, most definitely. He's definitely been around a few different women, multiple women.
Been around?
Yeah.
What Alexei actually says, and I was rather shocked by this, given your age. How old are you now, Eddie?
19.
Something of a shock. Still a teenager, but nevertheless, according to you, Alexei, he's, and I put this in the biblical sense, you'll know what I mean, he's known rather a lot of women, correct?
Yeah, I would say he's known over 70 at least.
At 19? Is that right? If I ask you the question, Eddie, have you slept with over 70 women or thereabouts, would you like to say yes, no, or no comment, Judge?
No comment, Judge.
Sorry, can't hear you.
No comment.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.